Hey guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing. Don't mind that horrible lighting, but I'm outside. I'm trying to get that tree out of my face. So I'm doing an unboxing of the A box of Avon. This one is the Fall Beauty Trend Divine Wine. It's probably not up anymore. My mom got it for me for Christmas and she saved it since like November. But all the products on my face I am wearing are from the box. I will show you a better view of those when I move to the new light. I'm having issues. And the first thing I got was a palette, a quad, and these are the colors it comes in. Very purpley, mauvey colors. It is the, I have it right here. The romantic mauves. And it costs $4.99 usually. And I will swatch those here for you right now, even though they are on my eyeballs. It's really hard to do. While I'm holding the camera. Bear with me, it'll get better over time. It's very pinky on my arm. But here are the shades. Hopefully you guys can see them. Let me see if I can get them in the light. Not working out very well for me. Sorry, I was seeing if I was gonna cut it. They're very purpley. They're not showing up because I obviously don't know how to swatch. I'll swatch on the back of my hand next time. I have another one of these to do. This one's a little bit more thought out because I don't have the paper for the other one, and my mom took out one of the products because she really wanted it. It was a pair of earrings, and I don't really wear earrings. The next thing I have is the Glimmer Sticks Diamond Eyeliner. It runs $2.99. Nothing in this box is more than $8. And let me hold the camera on that side. I should really swatch before so I don't get these awful angles. It is a purpley color. It's very pretty. It sparkled. I don't know if it will show up in the light. This is the next thing. It is a nail enamel. I don't know if you can see me. It is in the shade, I can't remember. I think it's Darkest Plum. It doesn't say on the bottle. It usually does, but they just replaced it with a warning label. I've had this nail polish on for about 3 days. It hasn't chipped at all. And I've done things with my hands. I've cleaned. I've done a lot of things. So I am going to say this might be the best nail polish of 2019. And that runs $4.99, which you can't beat that for nail polish. Wet n Wild maybe. Don't mind the boxes. Because they're only like $3. But still. If it's lasting this long and like it looks like it's chipping, but that's because my nails are horrible. I just don't have nails there. So the thing on my lips is this, it's a lipstick obviously, in Vamp. It's not very opaque when you first put it on. Like, I'll swatch it for you and I'll only do one swipe. See, very splotchy, so you just gotta go over it and over it a couple times. Then you'll end up with this. I like the color. It's very glossy, wet, kind of lipstick, and if you like mattes, you won't like it. But that's everything that came in here, and the total of this box was $20, I think. And you save about $4.95 when you add everything together. Don't mind my awful handwriting. Dyslexia. This is what it looks like. Let's see. I use Avon products because my mom sells them, obviously, I already said that. But even if she didn't, I would probably still use them, just because they're a very good brand and I am not allergic to anything in them so far, except for the bubble baths. But you should really be careful. I should only get my bubble baths from Lush, and you guys probably should too. Let's see. There was more I wanted to talk to you about this box. I think it's a very good box. It's not a mystery box. You know what's coming in it. I think Avon should definitely start doing mystery boxes. It would help their business a lot. Not that they're going under or anything, but this is the amount of products that I got in here. That's just a tiny box. I don't think if I didn't show you, I did get mascara in it, and it runs $6.99. It's on my eyeballs right now. I think I like it better than the MAC one I tried on yesterday. Yesterday for you, I'm filming this like a half hour later, so shh, don't tell anyone. Yeah, this one's a little bit hectic. I had to run back inside because I forgot the paper, and it was going smoothly the first time around. So you get 3, 4, 5 products for $20, and that's a lot of money. That's not a lot of money. That's a lot of products for a little bit of amount of money. It's the same as a BoxyCharm, kind of, except for it's all makeup, it's no skincare, no hair care. I bet they will come out with one. There's one that I think I'm going to do. It is for Valentine's Day, and it's got a little heart blush in it, and it's really cute. So I will try that one, and I will go over in the light so you can see my face. If I am a little pink, it's from the blush that I tried on in my Birchbox. I can't think today. Let me see. So this is it in the light. My eyeliner is kind of messy because I don't know how to put on eyeliner that's not liquid. That's the word. But yeah, I really like this look, actually. It's not how I thought it was going to turn out. I thought it was going to be a little bit deeper. So if you like deeper makeup tones, I would just try a different quad. But yeah, this is the Avon A box. And I'm not going to do my outro because I have been told everyone does that one, even though I kind of made it up when I was really tired one night. So yeah, have a good night, or, whatever time you're watching this. And please like and subscribe, and yeah, have a good day, or whatever. Doing it again. Just be happy.